Welcome to The Explainer. Ever look at the Great Pyramids and just think, how? Today, we're digging into a really fascinating and, pretty controversial theory that suggests the answer isn't buried in the earth, but maybe it's written in the stars. Let's get into it. So this is the big one, the question that really kicks this whole thing off. When you look way, way back to the dawn of civilization, you just have to ask, were we really alone? Did we manage to build all these incredible wonders all by ourselves? Or did we have a little cosmic help? To even start answering that, we have to look at the evidence they left behind. And honestly, it's a world filled with ancient mysteries that still don't have easy explanations.
I mean, think about it. You've got the Egyptians, the Mayans, the Sumerians, all these incredible civilizations. They pop up, create these absolute marvels, and then they just fade away, leaving behind these monumental structures and advanced knowledge that, frankly, still has us scratching our heads today.
Which brings us to their engineering. Let's look at a few of what some people call impossible feats, structures that just seem so far beyond the technology they were supposed to have at the time. Let's start in Egypt with the Great Pyramids of Giza. We're talking millions of stone blocks, okay? Some of them weigh as much as a truck, and they're all pieced together with this insane mathematical precision that's hard to achieve even now. The question has always been, how on earth did they do that?
Okay, now let's jump over to Peru and the Nazca Lines. These are these enormous drawings, geoglyphs, etched right into the desert floor. And here's the really bizarre part. The figures are so massive, you can only actually see what they are from high up in the sky. So, who were they for? And of course, over in England, you've got Stonehenge. These colossal stones, they were dragged from miles and miles away, were arranged in this perfect circle. But it's not just a circle, it's a super sophisticated astronomical calendar tracking the sun and the moon with incredible accuracy. So you see the pattern here, right? These incredible sites, separated by entire oceans in centuries, all share the same common mysteries: a massive scale, mind-bending precision, and these complex alignments with the stars. It all comes back to that one fundamental question: how did they do it? Well, when you have puzzles this big that just won't go away, some researchers have proposed a really radical explanation, a theory that totally reframes how we look at human history. This is the heart of the ancient astronaut theory. The idea is basically this: what if intelligent extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in our distant past and gave early human cultures a massive leg up with their advanced knowledge? The theory argues that this knowledge transfer, if you will, could explain the sudden, almost miraculous leaps we see in ancient civilizations, in astronomy, in complex math, and of course, in massive construction. So, the theory asks us to just reconsider everything. It's proposing that maybe these ancient wonders weren't just the product of human ingenuity alone, but were built with extraterrestrial guidance. But the theory isn't just about stone and math. Its supporters also point to another kind of evidence, and this one is found in our oldest myths and legends. What's so fascinating is that if you look at ancient texts and legends from cultures that were separated by thousands of miles and thousands of years, you find this recurring theme: powerful gods coming down from the sky, often in what are described as flying machines or chariots of fire. For instance, ancient Indian texts talk about flying palaces or ships called vimanas. Then, in a completely different part of the world, the Bible's book of Ezekiel describes this stunning encounter with a fiery wheeled craft descending from the heavens. And this quote, it really gets to the core question that theorists are asking. Are ancient passages like this just powerful metaphors and myths? Or could they be eyewitness accounts of advanced technology described with the only words people had at the time? So, where does all this leave us today? How do we balance these ancient mysteries with all the modern research? The truth is, while mainstream science is hard at work looking for conventional explanations, a lot of these questions are still stubbornly unsolved. And in that space of uncertainty, speculation continues to thrive. It really boils down to two very different ways of looking at the same thing. For something like pyramid construction, you've got the mainstream view: it was an incredible feat of human labor using ramps and levers. Then you've got the theorist view: it was advanced alien technology or guidance. Both sides are trying to explain the same amazing result, just from completely different starting points. Ultimately, the question comes back to you. Are all these incredible engineering feats and these strangely similar stories just a series of remarkable coincidences? Or are they clues, pointing to a forgotten cosmic connection? It's a mystery that invites all of us to keep wondering, keep questioning, and keep exploring.